Alright guys, so we are currently looking into the problem with the window, and we've pretty much narrowed it down to the window regulator that has gone bad, just not wanting to put it all the way up and keep it up or even move it. Like, I put my finger on the up, doesn't go up. It will go down, or at least sound like it does, but it doesn't move. No movement. And, well, now my window's just falling down freely, which is not a good thing. Not at all. Alright guys, so we just got the regulator today. We got the old one out. That's what this direction is over here. That's some bitch. And basically, all that you had to do to take that thing out was those 3 bolts there. And then these 3 here. And it comes out, you have to kind of twist it to take it out. That slot there. Same thing with the other side. And then reverse the process to put it back in. Alright, so the way you mount the window back up to the motor is you got to loosen up these bolts here, one on each side, and this clamps the window to the motor. And you gotta roll up the window all the way, or the motor all the way, so you can see the mirror, or not the mirror, but you can see the window right on through here, and you can tell if it's actually going in. And if it isn't, roll it down a little bit, try again. That one's in. This one's not. Alright, they're both in. So, now you gotta tighten up those to clamp it together, and then torque down the rest of your bolts and you're done.
Wild, you can lie like a professor. I don't got the time to put you on a stretcher. I am real and it's so flex. I am just an I living. Start a record label, bitch just did it. Whoa, I'm high star, cover 5 minutes. Whoa, we are so hot in the business. Last verse was before the award show. Icon in my torso. Me and Moy dipping in the torso. What? I ain't even taking on torso. Damn. Last girl signed a divorce, so what? Now I'm focused. We about to all blow up. We just trying to make the whole crowd go nuts. What? Look, we don't know no one like you. Go girl.
Alright guys, so the window is working again. Goes down, comes back up. All the stuff you want. And of course, as I said in my last video with old trucks, is you fix one thing and another thing breaks. Well, the thing that broke this time is the lock. And it does not want to unlock. So say, you know, I lock it with my key fob and go out and, I don't know, into the store. And I come back out and the truck won't unlock on the driver's side. And I'm like, well, shit, I guess I got to go in through the passenger. So, gonna have to get a new locking mechanism, locking motor, and see if it fixes it.